Kala ko hindi tira.
Guahao coming off the screen. Deo Guahao says, I don't need a screen. Deo Guahao for 3.
Short.
Guahao. Nuna
Yes,
ties
sir.
the game.
Tulad ng sinasabi ko, we still have Guahao. And it's our 10th deadlock dito sa ball game natin.
69 all. It's winning time. Tony Inon to Santos. Santos could not hold on to the basketball.
Letran needs to have a rebounding discipline on this one. Ganda ng rebound niya, ito sinunag sa gitna. Sinurbol niya na yun.
Nahawakan na ni Santos eh.
Oo.
Napitawan lang. But what a shot right there by Nuna.
69 all with 43 seconds remaining dito sa ball game natin.
Tandaan po natin, wala pang talo ang Benilde.
Oh.
4-0.
And so
It's
far,
2-2.
and so far, this is the closest ball game that they had in 5 games, ha? They're averaging 16? 16.8. Dito, tabla tayo with 43 seconds.
Nag-overtime na ng isang beses ang Benilde against San Beda. They won 70-65.
Payag rin naman tayo mag-overtime eh.
Nakakatatlong overtime na tayo. Season 100, 3 overtimes already.
Isa sa akin doon.
Sa akin yung Beda Benilde.
Papayag kami ng overtime, walang problema.
Here we go. We have Sanko, Liwag, Sanchez, Inon, and Torres on the floor for the Blazers. Inon, dinedepensa ni Guahao. 9 on the shot clock. Inon.
Wala.
Misses.
Ayun naman. Oy!
Oh!
Wala pa sa penalty. I think that's their fourth foul para dito sa mga taga CSB.
So
That's
isa
their
na lang.
fourth. Isa na lang.
Isa na lang.
Samantalang
Sa penalty na.
itong Letran, they're already in the penalty.
Who will get the basketball here? No more Jimboy Estrada. Estrada has fouled out.
They need to cross the half-court line and then you still have Guahao there.
Bola na kay Nat Montecillo.
Kaya lang dinidepensyan sa dito ni Tony Inon.
Montecillo. 10 on the shot clock. Montecillo, drop pass. Santos gives the lead to Letran. That's the first basket of the game for Kevin Santos. He was 0 for 5 prior to that shot.
Kanina pa siya nagbimintes doon sa mga tirang gano'n. It's either sobra malakas, but doon on a drop off galing dito kay Montecillo, sinigurado na ni Santos yun.
And now we see why Ray Nambatak praised Montecillo as a player that he expects to step up. What a setup job by Montecillo. And look at the celebration.
Grabe. Only made shot para dito kay Santos. Panglamang pa.
Pero last second twist, Spain.
Benilde has been in a similar situation. It was Jomel Ancheta who hit a clutch 3. But Ancheta has been ejected. On the floor for Benilde, Inot, Torres, Eusebio, Sanko, and Liwag Bo. Ano sa tingin mo mangyayari dito?
I think Coach Charles will go with Tony Inot on this one. It might be a ball skin between Inot and Liwag. Diba? So, but the Knights are on a 1-2-2 zone with 13.3 seconds.
And the new player, ngayon lang pinasok, Pradelia.
Oo, diba? Ano lang? Yun lang talaga.
Ian Torres. Torres to Inon. Inon Eusebio for the win.
Wala.
And the Letran Knights
Wow.
escape. They beat Benil. A come from behind victory. Oh my goodness.
And 71 for the
Wow.
by
Without Jimbo Estrada, without Pau Habelunar.
That shot by Eusebio was halfway down.
Oh.
It was wide open.
And it's a good stroke para dito kay Eusebio. He almost made it. And this is the guy who kept the Letran Knights alive in this ball game.
Bo, when it mattered the most, Kevin Santos,
Oh.
only field goal.
Kanina pa tayo nang ihinayang sa kanya. Eto, Inot has the shot pero inabol siya doon ni Santos, ha? Di ba? Kaya naipasa niya doon kay Eusebio on the left side.
Pwede maging turning point to
Diba?
para kay Santos.
Di ba?
He's being celebrated
Diba?
right now by his teammates.
He's being praised by his teammates, pare.
He won the game for Letran.
Oh.
He won the game for them with that basket and then the defensive stop.
0 and 5 before he made that shot. And most of the shots are like that. Boarding.
A breathtaking finish. Pero sa dulo ng lahat,